Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 BMW X3. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. BMW infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as speed-sensitive wipers, front dual-zone air conditioning, a power liftgate, and power seats. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.